Now we're going to set the flash, making sure that it's ready to send orders. If you turn the TT685 on, you will see that it's in TTL or manual mode and ready to work on camera. But we need to set it to radio master mode. We do this by pressing the sync button, the one labeled with the lightning bolt or horizontal lightning bolt. And in this case, it was only one press of the button. We need to make sure that we have an antenna icon on the top left of the screen and we see a list of groups. In other flashes, you may need to press this button 3 times. Please notice that the list of groups may be different. This is a TT685 for Fujifilm, so it includes the master group, which refers to this, the transmitter. But if you use, let's say, a TT685 for Canon, you will only see 3 groups here, A, B, and C. First, we're going to set the channel on the TT685, and it's pretty simple. We only need to press the channel, the soft button labeled channel or CH, and you see that the channel is now highlighted. We're going to turn the wheel until we get to the channel value that we want. In my case, it's channel 9. We now press the set button to confirm our selection. Our next step is to set the ID. The ID is a custom function, so we need to get to the custom functions menu. And we do it by pressing the soft button labeled Zoom Custom Functions. We press and hold this button, and then we got to the custom functions menu. We're going to rotate the wheel until we find the ID function, which is currently off. We're going to press the set button so we can change its value. As you can see, it's only a matter of rotating the wheel to go from off to 1 and all the way to 99. In my case, I'm going to use an ID number of 18. We're going to press set to confirm our selection and then the return soft button to return to the normal screen. The flash is now ready to send orders to all these flash groups. Now we need to decide the orders we want to send and to which group. First, we're going to select a group, and we do this by pressing the group soft button. You'll see that the groups will be highlighted, will cycle from being highlighted. I'm going to select group B. When you have a group selected, in this case B, we can change its mode by pressing the mode soft button, and it will alternate between being on TTL, in manual mode, or turned off. You can adjust the flash exposure compensation by pressing the exposure compensation button and then rotate the wheel so you can change from -3 to +3 stops, and every click of the wheel will be 1/3 of a stop. If this group is in manual mode, you press the power selection button and rotate the wheel. You're going to go from the minimum power, which is 1/128, all the way to the maximum power of 1/1. In my case, I'm going to set group B to fire at 1/16 power. We're going to press the set button to confirm our selection. We could try and adjust the zoom the zoom value, but it will only affect the M group, which is the transmitter. the TT685 or V860 Mark II cannot send zoom value orders to other flashes. In my case, I'm going to only press the zoom button and change the zoom value to 35 millimeters. We are now ready to test. If we press the tester button, which is the red button here, you should see the remote flash firing.